Hi, we're making eggplant sausage recipe with rice. Here we have some minced meat. I'm gonna spice it up with some mixed spices, which is white pepper, black pepper, and some Cajun spices. It's the dry Cajun spices. But some salt, some mustard to give it mustard, and to blend everything on, we'll add some breadcrumb, approximately like a half a cup breadcrumb. Here I have some sauteed onion. I sauteed them, I browned them just with oil, with vegetable oil. And now we have to start mixing all these ingredients. For the eggplant, we slide them lengthwise and we soak them in salt overnight. In this case, I divide my minced meat after I mix it by the number of the eggplant I have. So we start rolling it. We'll make like sausage-like eggplant and meat roll, like so. And then the end part, we'll put it at the bottom in the baking sheet, which already well oiled. We'll do the whole quantity. I'll do it once again. Put the meat round, go around it. Then on the end, we put the end downside. Don't want them stick together. I want to brown them. Maybe this one is so thick, but it will stay. Now we finished rolling all of them. I line them on baking sheet. I'll put some olive oil. Not too much, just enough to give them browning. I hope I don't need to flip them. We'll see once they get out from the oven. Goes in the oven, lower down. We'll put them for half an hour to start with. Half an hour. For the rice, I cut the carrot like triangle shape. Very challenging to work with one hand and tape on the other hand. We'll do that for the time being. I have a carrot, I have sliced tomato, I have the butt and the rice, medium grain. I soak it in water for 30 to 45 minutes. We put in the bottom of cookware, put some bay leaf and condiment. And then we'll see how we put this together after we roast the meat. Eggplant sausage. They are baked now, so we need to flat them under the broiler on high for just 5 minutes. Now it's time to install it. I'll put some tomatoes, sliced tomato, just to add some color, so when we flip it, it will look fantastic. We'll line the eggplant. Still, we're trying to make some kind of flower shape here in the butt. This is the finished touch of eggplant parmigiano. We can use the sausage here. Smell delicious. I have to try a bit of it. Can't wait. Bon appetit. Chef Ashar. I hope you try it.